If you're watching this, you likely feel overwhelmed and can't get anything done right. Plus, you're a mom with ADHD trying to build your own business. In this video, I'll show you how to simplify your life by being productive with ADHD, not despite it. And yes, you can be productive with a simplified life. You don't need to make your life complicated or constantly busy to be productive. That's the wrong definition of being productive. My definition of being productive is completely different from others out there. I'm Catherine Lazardo. I'm a thriving ADHD mom, speaker, and lawyer. I created this course because I felt overwhelmed myself. I was stuck spinning my wheels and not making progress. That's why I started watching educational contents on YouTube and started my own YouTube channel. I also started taking online courses about productivity and how to build a business. I paid a lot of money for some of these courses. Some were $150, some up to $10,000 per course. That still hurts my pocket when I say that because I invested a lot of money in them. Even though I learned something from those courses, something was still missing. I felt something was not clicking with my ADHD brain. Then, after taking a bunch of these courses and really analyzing what was missing, I realized it's because I was taking courses from people who did not have ADHD. That's why when they told me their solution and I tried it, it didn't work for my ADHD brain. I also realized that much of the productivity advice out there is not meant for women, let alone moms. They don't consider how my energy levels change every month with my hormones and cycle. They don't consider my unique busy schedule as a mom raising kids. Add to that my ADHD symptom, and my life can get really crazy fast. That's why most productivity courses out there didn't work for me and made my life even more complicated. My life as a mom and an entrepreneur is already complicated. I needed to simplify my life. And I love simplifying things to be productive. I finished law school in 2 years instead of the typical 3 years. I was a legal analyst on TV covering high-profile trials. I am running a law firm and a mission-driven company called ADHD Life Simplified, which is dedicated to helping moms with ADHD embrace their neurodiversity, free from shame, stigma, and judgment so they can navigate their motherhood with compassion. And I can still spend quality time with my family and kids. My kids gave me my proudest title, which is the best mom ever. That's why I can genuinely call myself a thriving ADHD mom. And that's why I created this simplified productivity course for moms like us. So what I want to do is walk you through my course and show you what has been helping me to be a productive ADHD mompreneur. The course is inside my ADHD mompreneurs community in the school platform, which is easy to use. You don't need to be a tech savvy, and there are no distractions like ads. Real quick, here's what it looks inside. This is how the course looks like and the topics that we cover inside. We also cover topics about ADHD in women so that we can talk about how your productivity is affected by your ADHD and your hormones. Each topic has a short video, instructions, and resources that you can click and read more if you want to dive deeper about the topic that I cover in the video. I understand your busy schedule as a mom, so I made sure you can consume this course 2 ways. If you want to finish the entire course in one sitting, for example, after your kids fall asleep tonight, you can binge watch the entire course for only 2.5 hours. That's like watching one movie. Or you can watch each video one at a time like a podcast. I made the video short, about 5 to 20 minutes long, so you can watch one video, get distracted by your family demands or your kids, and then you can still go back and watch the next video and not feel overwhelmed at all. And there are also bonuses for ADHD information that you want to learn more. and ADHD inspiration for the hard times. If you want to dive deeper into any of the topics in our productivity course and our bonus sections, you can always ask me or our members inside our community. You can even ask ADHD general questions or share your stories about your ADHD and your family's ADHD. That's what the community is for, so you're not alone in this journey. I truly want to help you, and this course has a lot of value. So go ahead and sign up for a one-time payment of $39. If you don't like it for any reason, you can ask for a refund. I have a 30-day money-back guarantee. My goal is to help you, not to add more stress by worrying about a refund. Best case scenario, this course changes your life and you get a personal cheerleader, me. Worst case scenario, you tried something and it didn't work. And that's okay. It doesn't mean that you're a failure. It means that you tried improving yourself, and I call that progress. Remember, progress beats perfect. And here's my promise to you. As long as you keep showing up for yourself, I'll keep showing up for you. I won't give up on you as long as you don't give up on yourself. Deal? I'll see you inside, and I appreciate you.